Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hejin Lee with a brief update for STEAM. The fact that price has recently breached to the upside, beyond and past the upper trend line, is bullish. The fact that the recent, on a cycle analysis perspective, the recent low at 0.212 cents, 21 cents, marked the start of a new cycle. Prior cycle range somewhere between 75 to 97 days. This one I'm putting it at around, instead of 84 days, let's say 103 days. Now the range and the elasticity of cycles from trough to trough, measured in that distance, can have variations. So if we measure this to the 103 days, or somewhere in the high 90 days, or whatever you, maybe even a little more than that, we can say that the midpoint is somewhere around February 7th or 6th, in that time frame. If the peak goes past the midpoint, it'll be called right translated. And I think that's exactly what's going to happen. We have probably wave 1, WXY for wave 2, and then we've got a wave 3 coming. I think that'll reach towards the 80-90 cents, 4 and 5 back into the low $1 ranges. Thereby the peak will be most likely on the right side. Thereby it will be a right translated peak, which is bullish. Why is it bullish? That means if the peak is at the right side of the cycle, then it spends more time climbing than declining. On a left translated peak, it'll spend very little time rising and most of the cycle time declining, thereby bearish. So again, the start of this new cycle has it so that price has breached to the upside, the upper right trend line of this triangle. Thereby I think we have 1, 2 complete, and now the start of wave 3, which should go to this resistance area, maybe even poke through it, then come back down on a correction. Okay, but however, I think this could be sparking a new bullish rally, so that if we've got a 5-wave rise, we'll get the requisite ABC correction. But then again, the next 5-wave upside will be quite impressive, I believe. I hope you found this to be helpful. Have a great day.